I got incredibly lucky to snag the rare Barbie Extra 21 and I'm so excited to take her out of this box. This is my first Barbie Extra and I feel like I missed out on a lot by not getting dolls from this line sooner, but I was so busy collecting dolls from the Lux line, which is their total opposite, because Lux dolls are so simple and Extra dolls are bold and extra. I've always wanted to get the Extra Fly Ken and the 2022 pink Barbie Extra, but they're either out of stock or expensive. And then I saw this online and immediately I had to add her to cart and check out. Now, first impression when I saw her, I'm gagged. Like, really gagged. Her overall aesthetic is giving Y2K and I'm loving it. Her extraness is really living up to the rest of the dolls, but I'm just wondering why she never made the final cut. Because these are the only dolls that were released and she's not included. Which is really a shame because, to be honest, she is the prettiest of them all. I mean, I'm not even kidding. Some people say she was supposed to be a Macy's exclusive, but that never happened. Then some people said she'd actually be released last year, which of course never happened too. And now she's available to me locally. I got her from Shopee from an Indonesian seller, and that's where the doll is from, by the way. And it took about a week for her to get here in the Philippines. Let me give you a closer look with her in the box and see for yourself how awesome she is. Everything about this doll is totally different from the usual aesthetic I go for. So getting this doll is totally out of my comfort zone, but I'm so glad I did. So before I take her out, let's take a look at the packaging. I'm absolutely loving this presentation. So here you can see that she comes with a pet, a drink, some eyewear, a pair of stickers. I think these are stick-on earrings. And we also have a hat. Here you can see the doll and it looks like she's already wearing most of the accessories she comes with. And that gives us a total of 15 styling pieces. Let's get her out. Here is our doll out of the box. This Barbie has an unnamed face mold, but she has been used by Mattel several times already. Mostly in the Fashionista line. She's Fashionista 147 and Fashionista 215. I like that she's getting more exposure these days because honestly, this face mold looks so gorgeous. She comes with a white cat with a green bow, color coordinated. I like that their colors match. She comes with this violet drink. Actually, this is a solid piece of plastic, but it's glittery. It has a slice of lime and you can see that it even has a bendy straw. Perfect drink for a hot summer. We are getting 3 pairs of stick-on earrings. It comes in 3 different designs, so we have purple heart, crown, and butterflies. We also have this light blue hat, and you can see that it's got a silver crown design in front with pink gems, and it's molded on to look like it's a snapping hat. Here's our doll wearing the hat, and I like that it sits comfortably on her head, even if you make her wear it backwards. Forgot to mention this violet handbag. It looks like it's got a woven design. Unfortunately, it does not open, but it's a hollow piece of plastic. And of course, let's not forget this pair of teal-colored sunglasses. These are clear and not a solid color. Here is our doll with everything she comes with. I'm having her borrow a doll stand since she doesn't come with one. She comes with quite a lot of stuff, and honestly, I like that these match her color palette. My favorite are her sunglasses, which complement her pink hair so much. Speaking of hair, it's a mix of red and pink. These waves remind me so much of Wave 1 Lena's hair. Our doll has brown eyes with blue colored eyeshadow and eyeliner, and you can see that she also has pink colored lips with red liner. Oh, that's a slight blush. Now, while her eyes are not pixelated, you can see slight pixelation on her pink lips, but I can live with that. I'm seeing that she also has some articulation, so let's check that out. Here's our doll completely nude, and I tried taking off her earrings, but unfortunately, these could not be removed. This is like an older type of earring that's anchored in her head, so unless we use force or hot water, then we won't be able to take that out. I'm going to use the hot water method, but I'm going to have to do that offline, but you will know if it's successful. Give me a sec.
A few moments later.
Oh. Okay, as you saw, I had to remove her head completely so I'd be able to remove the earrings. We did, but take note though, you will have to make sure that the vinyl is still soft when you pull the earrings out. Otherwise, you risk damaging the head. Before I show you her articulation, let's take a look at the other stuff she comes with. Starting with her jacket, this is her signature piece in the outfit she's wearing. The neckline is lined with faux fur, and also the cuffs are also lined with faux fur. It looks like it's got glitters. Actually, it's not. These are... Here it is in closer look. These are actually plastic fibers from the looks of it. The inside is not lined, but the edges are finished. Here it is on the back. And when worn, this extends all the way to the back of her thighs. On the inside, she's wearing this top. It looks like it's got a butterfly pattern. The top itself is pink with blue gradients, and on closer look, you can see that it's made to look like it has sequins, but these are just iridescent patterns. This outfit closes with Velcro, and it's got black ribbons for straps. She's also wearing this pleather violet pants with animal prints. It looks like it's leopard print and snake. The pleather itself has a snake-like texture, which I really like. It has slits on the bottoms, and the back closes with Velcro. The edges are finished, and the inside is quite soft. She's also wearing this pair of chunky wedges, and you can see that it looks like it has glitters, but no, it's actually the material itself that's glittery. And if you look closer, it appears these are translucent. She's wearing this fancy belt with a lot of details. This is also made with the same material as her shoes, and this is quite soft. It's not like hard plastic, kind of like jelly. She's also wearing 3 different kinds of necklaces. Here's the violet one. Here's a pink one that looks like a chain, and this clear translucent one that looks like it has dripping designs. I'm not sure what these are called, but this is a translucent butterfly. It's like a knuckle ring. And of course, let's not forget her pair of earrings. Let me zoom it in, there you go. Our doll unfortunately does not have the made-to-move articulation. I'm not sure what this articulation is called, but she is limited. She has movement at the head, shoulder, so you can move it forward and backward. She only has a single joint on her elbow, so she can only bend it this much, unlike on Made to Move. And wrist articulation. She doesn't have a torso articulation, although we can move her hip like so. And she has a single jointed knee. Now, no articulation on the ankles. This doll's back has the code HNP87. She may not have ankle articulation, but she does not have flat feet. I have since rebodied our other dolls in made-to-move bodies. Both of these ladies are on green tie-dye made-to-move bodies, and it looks like it's a good match. This is Fashionista234, which we made a video of a few months back. She also has the green tie-dye made-to-move match, and I'm going to borrow this body. It's so hard to rebody on Made to Move because of these neck pegs, but with the introduction of the new basics line, this is already eliminated, so let's do something. I'm not going to remove this entire part, but I just want to remove these wings. So using pliers, I'm just going to cut these off. And you can see here that it still has these remaining parts. I'm just going to flatten these with my pliers. So this is what it now looks like after doing all that. And moment of truth. Our goal is to make sure that this head will fit and we won't have any problems removing it for future rebodying. Okay, that did it! I basically just had to wiggle it around and it now fits like a glove. A really tight glove. And let's see how difficult it would be to remove it. Oh, we just made a Me to Move hack. And I'm pretty sure other people have been doing this, but it's so nice to finally be able to do it on our own. I want to see if we could do that with the earrings to make these easy to remove. So here's our pliers. I'm just going to pinch these anchors. I think I'm gonna have to do it this way. I'm gonna pinch them like so. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them off. And I flatten the rough edges. And now our earring is easy to put in. Is it easy to pull out? It is easy! I've had this beach-themed Millie since last year, and she's wearing a nice vacation outfit. This set comes with a Millie wearing a pink striped swimsuit, which ties with a ribbon behind the neck, a pink polka dot see-through sarong, which closes with Velcro in front, a pair of pink shoes, gold hoop earrings and a twisted necklace. She comes with a big pink sun hat, a pair of blue cat eye sunglasses, a pink cell phone with a handle at the back, an ice cream cone. Let's make believe this is mint chocolate chip. We also have a gold bracelet, pink lipstick, a tube of sunblock that says 59, which could either mean SPF 59 or Barbie's birth year, 1959, and this translucent pink tote bag. Our Millie has anchored earrings, so I'm gonna have to do something about this. Unlike the extra earrings, the anchor is actually solid, so I'm gonna have to do extra effort in flattening this first, and then let's snap it off with this. And flatten the rough edges. So our earring is easy to put in and easy to pull out. I think our doll would definitely rock this outfit, so give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back. And here is our doll wearing the outfit. I'm loving that the pinks of this outfit go so well with her aesthetic. Let's put her other stuff in her bag because this bag is functional. Nice. And even though Barbie Extra is way out of my comfort zone, seeing her in person just taught me that there's no harm in trying something new. And early judgment is never cute. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about Barbie Extra 21, if you have her, or if you were hoping to find her in the wild. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Toys Collectibles and give us a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.